gonna do? We're gonna see just how drunk I can get. Cash App, baby. Somebody put my Cash App up in here. Okay, well, I gotta take a shot for them. They gave me $9.99. And nothing below $10. Okay, I ain't no cheap ass bitch. Okay. Don't send me $1. Girl, I'm gonna send that dollar right back to you, Jada. I said 10 and up. $10 and up. You cash at me, $10 or up, and I take a shot. And we're gonna see how drunk I get. Okay. All right, here's my first shot. Oh my God, I need a chaser. Hold on. Oh. That was gross. Oh yeah, y'all gonna have to give me like shit, $15 for this shit. This shit nasty. No, we'll keep it at $10 up. That's 3. I gotta take 2 more. Oh my God. Oh shit. What did I get myself into? $20 for 2 shots. No, hell nah. We could do $20 for 1 shot. Y'all tripping. Oh no. Okay, I got another Cash App, you guys, from Lori Morales. Thank you, girl. She sent me $15. $15 and up. Like, that's it. From this point on. $15 and up. Okay, are you keeping track? I have to do 3. Oh. Ugh. I'm gonna be drunk dialing Brandon in a minute. Okay. I just raised it. $20 and up. Girl, please sit down. Girl, please kiss my ass. Okay. I can't believe I started with $10, bitch. No. I am worth so much more than $10. Okay. You guys, we about to get real on this fucking live. I want to talk to y'all about some real ass shit. Hold on. Let me take this nasty ass shot. How much for each question? I don't know. Mommy. $20. All right, hold on. Oh, shit. Slow down. I have a question for you. Cash at me or send me a super chat. All the super chats right now are going to get answered. I don't give a shit. I don't care how personal they are. I'm going to answer it. Fuck it. I'm kind of tipsy now, bitch. Fuck it. Ask me anything, bitch. Anything. I'm so stupid. Who did you block? Oh my God. I blocked Brandon. He came by today. Did I even bring it? I didn't even bring it. This nigga brought me a flower. He brought me flowers, a card, and a balloon. And a chicken, bitch. Because he brought me a rotisserie chicken, bitch. Okay? He was like, I thought we could all just sit down like a family and eat some chicken. No. The fuck? You think you could just bring over some flowers and fucking chicken and a card and I'm gonna forgive you? That's what you think? He walked away with his chicken. That's right, nigga. Walk away with your motherfucking chicken. Y'all could just keep sending super chats and cash apps. Like, y'all, I would really appreciate it. Like, I'm going through a really hard time right now. Like, a bitch is out here struggling. I'm struggling for real. And I think my daddy got his motherfucking stimulus check, bitch. But he don't want to give me no money. $30 will buy you a shot from now on, okay? And you guys can ask me any fucking thing. I mean, take advantage. Javon. Okay, let's just don't hear you, bitch. But I'm gonna put a big ass but behind that, and I'm gonna say Brandon has potential. You know what? I take credit for that shit though. I do. I take credit because look, 8 years ago, when I met that nigga, okay, girl, boo. Okay, he couldn't even eat no girl, boo. Okay, he was with me for 8 motherfucking years. Okay, I taught his ass a lot. And I'm sure if I was with Brandon for 8 years, I could teach him some things too. Now, what y'all should have asked me is who got the bigger dick, okay? That would have been worth the motherfucking question. Who you think is bigger? Wait, I want to know who y'all think is bigger. Y'all who? Wait, who head game better? Y'all need to be y'all need to be setting them questions in. Who got the best D? Shit. Y'all know what it is. I don't drive these niggas crazy for nothing, okay? Niggas kicking down doors and shit. Ooh, who kicked in the door? Oh, who kicked in the door? Who kicked in the door? Who kicked in the door? Hey, who kicked in the door? Brandon kicked in the door, bitch. Ah, shit. I told on him. Brandon kicked in my motherfucking door, bitch. So who's bigger? You might ask. Brandon. Yeah, Brandon's is bigger. I'm sorry. It's bigger. That's what I'm saying. Like, if I had time to teach this man, when I was with him, he taught me like new things. Like, I didn't like to get on top, bitch, because I felt, first of all, I felt like I was gonna kill him. Okay, because I'm like, he's so little. I felt like I was gonna kill him. But you know, he was like, baby, just shut the fuck up and get on top. So like, I got on top, and like now that's I love it. Oh, okay, I see it. When was the last time I tried to smash? December 19th. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. Details, girl. No, details is a whole nother thing. And shit, fuck the details. Damn, she had the date. Girl, I had the date, okay? I had the motherfucking date, okay? Oh my God. That's a whole story time in itself, too. Hold on. I don't want to answer the door. I don't want to answer the door. I don't want to. Hold on. Okay, I gotta go.
Inside information that someone is hiding drugs in this very office. inside information that someone is hiding drugs in this very office.